Hello everyone, this is my 5th video. Anyone miss my first, second, third and fourth video? Please come first and come to this video. Okay, this is the part 2 video for revising DHCP configuration. Okay, let's move to the diagram. You can see this is my today diagram. You can see this diagram have 3 networks. This is first one 192.12.2.0/24 and this is second network and this is third network. You can see. Okay, now move to my first step. Open this router and router configuration. Do now. Enable configure terminal interface G0/1. This interface. First I assign this interface. IP at 192.12.2.2.1 and 255.255.255.0/24 mean last part come to 0. Okay, no shutdown. Next interface G0/0 IP address 202.1.3.1.255.255.255.252 mean /30. No shutdown. Okay, router 1 basic configuration is finished. Now move to router 2. This router configuration. CLI enable configure terminal interface E0/0 IP at this interface 12.113.2 255 and 252. No shutdown. Next I move to next interface G0/1 IP address 192.12.1.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, all the routers basic configuration are finished. Okay, now today diagram I am using this router for our server. This router we are using for server. Okay, now move to DHCP configuration part. Open, exit and interface G0/0. This interface I'm using this router. This interface I'm using for our server interface IP address. Therefore, next I configure DHCP configuration. IP DHCP excluded address 192.12.1.1. This means this router interface excluded for DHCP and 192. This is for range. And next I excluded 192.12.2.1 and 2.10. It means this network, this interface. And next I excluded this interface 203.12.113. Okay, it's done. All the DHCP excluded configuration are finished. Now move to create pool DHCP pool step. Okay, IP DHCP pool 1 and network 192.12.1.0. I'm first create pool for this network 192.12.1.0 and 255.255.255.0 and DNS server address 8.8.8.8 and domain name I'm assigning domain name www.cisco.com and default router is this interface IP address 192.12.1.1. Okay, now exit. Now create a next pool number 2. The network address 20 this interface and next a DNS server IP address 8.8.8.8.8 and domain name same as www.cisco.com and default router is this interface address 2.1 and exit. Now I create pool 3 for this network address 203.12.113.0 255.255.255.252 and DNS server same as Cisco, domain name same as, and default router is 203.12.113.1. Enter. Exit. Okay, now we have created 3 pools. Okay, now I created IP route for these 2 routers. I created first this router IP route. I'm first routing this network 192.12.1.0 255.255.255.0 and next hop IP address is this interface IP address 203.12.3.2. Okay, it's done and Next I move to next router. Exit IP route for this network 192.12.2.0 255.255.255.0 next hop IP address. This interface IP address 203. Okay, now next I move to next step. It is for created this network IP help address. Okay, now move to I am assigning IP help address for this interface G01 interface GC/1 IP help address. IP address mean this interface IP address. First I say today I am using this router for our server. Therefore, this interface number is our server IP addresses. Okay, 203.12.113.1. Okay. Do show you can see. Okay. Next I move to my this PC and desktop IP configuration DHCP. Yeah, you can see DHCP request is successful. Okay, next I move to next PC DHCP. You can see it's not working. Yeah, it's DHCP request is successful. Now check our diagram. You can see successfully sent our messages. And next I command prompt IP config or you can see our addresses subnet by default gateways and DNS server, DNS domain names, and all the things are included perfectly. Okay, this is all the about today. You can see all the configuration are created successfully. Okay, this is end of today video. Next video I will update soon. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Okay, thank you.